Hey.
Welcome home.
Thank you. Thank you for looking after them. You seem happy.
Happy to see you.
Who's this?
Applesauce. She's mine. She likes applesauce. I rescued her.
Picking up some of my bad habits.
Picking up your good habits. You challenged my whole framework of assumptions about the way you are. The way I think you are.
Well, the way you think I am isn't always a reliable guide to who I am.
I was wrong about you.
Because you didn't believe me? Or in me? Because you let me question my sanity? My sense of reality?
Because you tried to kill Hannibal. You're wrong about him, Will.
No, you're wrong about him, Alana. You see the best in him. I don't.
What was done to you doesn't excuse what you did. Are you going to try to hurt Hannibal again? Is he safe?
From me or for you? He's dangerous, Alana. I suggest you stay as far away from Hannibal Lecter as you can. Come on.